Number 22. The floor of a ballroom has an area of 600 square meters. An architect creates a scale model of the floor of the ballroom where the length of each side of the model is 1/10 times the length of the corresponding side of the actual floor of the ballroom. What is the area in square meters of the scale model? Please don't make the very common mistake of going, if it's 1/10, I just divide 600 by 10 or multiply 600 by 1/10, same difference, and I get 60, and that's my answer, I move on. No, it is not your answer. Let's look at what's actually happening here so you can see what the correct answer is and why this is happening. So I'm going to draw a possible, it doesn't have to be to scale, ballroom. For it to be 600 square meters, that means that the length and the width multiplied together have to equal 600. So I can just pick any two numbers that multiply to get to 600. I'm going to pick 60 and 10. It does not matter what two numbers I pick as long as they multiply to get 600. All right, so 60 meters by 10 meters. And now I'm going to make a little scale model, actually much smaller than that. And I'm not drawing to scale, just to give you an idea. And each of these is 1/10 the length of the corresponding side. So this one down here, which corresponds to the 10 meters, 1/10 of that is 1 meter. And this side is 60. The corresponding side over here, 1/10 of that would be 6 meters. So what have we got here? We have that 60 times 10. That's 600 square meters. And what do we have over here? 6 times 1, 6 square meters. That is my answer, 6 square meters. Why does this happen? Why isn't it just 1/10? Why is it 1/100th of the area? It's because you are multiplying something that is 1/10 of the original, and you're multiplying that number by something else that is also 1/10 of the original. So when you multiply 1/10 times 1/10, you get 100th. So 1/100th of the area. So 1/100th of 600 is 6. You're free to do that either way if you have that knowledge of, okay, if both sides are 1/10, it's 1/10 times 1/10, so that's 100th. What's 100th of 600? 6. Boom. Absolutely valid. You totally can do that. Also, if you're not familiar with this or you're questioning or you're like, I don't know if I remember it, it's like, man, just write this out. Just draw a little scale model. It's not going to take you that long. And then you'll be absolutely sure you're doing it correctly and you have the right answer. I'd rather have the right answer and have it take 10, 15 seconds longer than blitz through it and get it wrong. So there is my answer. It is 6 square meters. Hey guys, this video was helpful or useful in any way. Please feel free to let the algorithm know about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, even buy me a coffee if you're so inclined. Links for that down below as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.